up, y'all? It's Mo, and today's video is going to be a new releases video. I'm going to try to stick to doing new releases every month in the shop. So, I don't know. I think it will be more helpful because right now I just kind of release stuff when I feel like it, and you can probably hear my dog typing around in the background. He's following me around. But I thought I would do new releases each month. So this is the new releases for June. And I think I'm going to keep it to like 3 things. So you'll probably have like a sticker kit, either 2 sticker kits or like a sticker kit and a template or something. I'm not quite sure. I'm not 100% sure yet. But for June, we have a long vertical and a standard vertical sticker kit, and then also a template for the A6 Hobonichi daily layout, I think is what it's called. I'll show you a little bit about this here soon, but we will go ahead and look at, let's see if I can zoom in here. We will go ahead and look at, oh, and my new setup, my camera's kind of jiggling. Okay, we will look at the Honey Bee sticker kit in both, like I said, long vertical and standard vertical. So this is when you get this kit and you go to print it. I don't remember how the pages are laid out. These could not be on the same page. I don't know. But you will get a printable, a template, not really a template. You'll get a printable that's like this. It's 2 of these half sheets to a page, and they fit in the print and cut area of your Cricut Explorer, so you can print and cut it with your Cricut Explorer. For both the standard vertical and the long vertical, all the sticker kits will fit the print and cut area of your Cricut Design Space. And you can use, I should say, you can use either a Cricut Explorer series or Cricut Maker series. Anything that supports print and cut. Unfortunately, the Cricut Joy does not support print and cut at this time. I think there's like some hacks that you can do, but I don't know what those are, and I don't think that'll format for this. So this is the standard vertical kit, and I'm calling this one Honeybee. This art is from Glam Art Zana. Most of the art that I get is from Glam Art Zana because I really like it and it's really affordable to design with. So if you're looking to design your own stickers, this is a great shop to purchase clip art and elements and stuff from. So we have our full box page, and you get the first 15 dates and then some long washi here. You have a sort of functional page with boxes and icons, bill dues, and some checklists. Then you have a page with bottom washi and the date covers, and then the rest of your dates are over here and an extra full box. Then you have glitter headers, your heart checklist, habit trackers, the deco that you can use wherever you want to, a couple little flags, your heart checklists, and little appointment labels. And then you also have your long fashion box, some appointment labels here, and then day extenders. So these are going to help you to create, you know, extra space in your layouts with the day extenders. So like I said, I think a file will come like this, for example, and then you will just print and cut it either with your Silhouette or your Cricut Explorer. With your Silhouette, you can add another cut line around it to cut it out, and through here to cut it out from the page. With your Cricut, you can just print it and then cut it with your Cricut and then use your paper trimmer to trim it up. So you'll get 3 pages and it trims down, I think it's like this. Yeah, you'll get 3 pages and then it trims down to be 6 pages so that you can store it. So that is the Honeybee in the standard vertical size. And the sticker kits, the deluxe 6-page, I guess 3-page trimming down to 6-page kits are $4 in the shop. And I will do a sale. I'll leave information below when this launches. I haven't decided what it'll be yet, but during the new releases time, I'm gonna leave them up on like a discount for, I don't know, a week or something like that, and see how that goes. Then we have the long vertical, and it's pretty much the same. It's a long vertical kit, comes on 3 pages, and you trim it down to be 6 pages so that you can easily store it in your sticker storage. So it's kind of formatted a little bit different because things couldn't all fit on the page. So we have 4 full boxes here, a weekend banner, habit trackers, a set of bottom washi, and then your date covers, as well as some little flags. Then the rest of your full boxes, some more bottom washi, functional icons and stuff, little washi strips, glitter headers, 3 heart checklists, glitter headers, and then your fashion girl with some appointment labels. And the rest of your heart checklists and your appointment labels. Then we've got your functional boxes, more glitter headers, bill dues, more icons here. And then your deco, dates, heart checklists, and some of these little boxes that I really like, and then more little labels here. So it is formatted a little bit differently than the standard vertical, but I mean, you're still getting mostly everything, you know, that you could want for this. You're not going to get day extenders because the long vertical already is a lot of room, I feel like. So yeah, but that is that. I really like using these heart checklists rather than the full box checklist, but I know some people do like to use those, so you get those as well. And then also, because this kit, I feel like for a long vertical, you could use this, you could probably use multiple of them in, or I guess like the long vertical and the standard vertical in multiple spreads, but I feel like the long vertical you really could use in multiple spreads. So that's the 2 sticker kits. Both are $4. Those are new releases for June. Then we have what I call a sticker template. I think that's what they're called in general. And I thought I would design one out for you guys so you could see the layout and not just see a bunch of colorful boxes and, I don't know, not really understand what the template is. So the templates in the shop you can use to make your own stickers. I have a bunch of different videos on using free software. You don't have to know anything fancy. You don't have to use Photoshop. I mean, it's like super simple to make your own stickers. I've got Canva tutorial. I've got Inkscape tutorials, Cricut Design Space tutorials, Silhouette Studio tutorials, Pixlr tutorials. Like, you can do a lot with this template. And with your template, you're going to get a PNG white file, that's the transparent template, your PNG blackout file, and then an SVG blackout file. You can use the SVG blackout file for designing in something like Inkscape or something like Cricut Design Space. You can totally do that. And then you can also use it in Silhouette Studio, but if you have the free version of Silhouette Studio, you can use the blackout PNG and trace that and do it that way. But I'm working on a bunch of different tutorials for using these in a more versatile way. Maybe I'm working on something for Photopia. It's either Photopea or Photopia. I can't remember. That's been kind of in the back burner, but I've been working on that one too. So this is what the A6 template looks like after you have done, like after you've created your template. I will show you, like after you've laid out your whole stickers and everything. This is kind of how it fits in, and this is what I would show you how I design them, is I just use a bunch of different colors. But this is how it kind of would fit in your A6 planner here, your Hobonichi Techo A6 dailies. This doesn't quite fit on the box there. You could put some washi behind it or whatnot, but I did that because I also like to keep these versatile for other planner systems. You could totally use this in a standard A5 or a standard vertical type of layout, an A5 that was vertical, something like that. So they don't fit the entire width or the entire height, I don't think, unless they do. I may have reformatted this now that I'm thinking about it. Yes, so I did reformat this. So these are still going to be 1.5 inches wide, but they're going to be a little bit taller. So you can still use this in your standard vertical whatnot, but it's sized taller to fit within this box. So that, let me correct myself there. But yeah, so these long checklists are designed to go over your little hourly schedule if you don't need that. But it's just a bunch of stuff, a bunch of stickers to make like a cohesive weekly spread. Now, you'd kind of run into the part where it's like, yeah, this would be Sunday, and then Monday would be something different, another spread. But like I said, you could use that in your any type of other standard vertical planner. I don't know why I'm so all over the place today. I did also want to say, if you got the A6 bundle from Printpression, then these, I believe, should also work in here. Like, let's say you really need a long, like something that's long and functional in this planner. I'm kind of off frame. In your A6 planner that's vertical from Printpression, you could totally use that. You could just not, or you could trim these and use them however you want. But I think this is a great sort of mini kit option if you need a lot of functional boxes, but maybe a little bit, or just a little bit of deco. So I think it looks kind of like a lot. Like, you could also cut this and half here if you would like. I'm going to do a plan with me shortly on using this in how I would lay it out in like the Hobonichi Techo. So there is that. I did want to say one more thing. I had some stuff covering this, but I designed this these sticker kits, the honeybee sticker kits, to go with the honeybee type of overlay, foiled overlays that you can download and foil yourself, that I put up around like Easter time. So these would be really, really cute to go with these. These would be really, really cute to go with these. I believe they're standard vertical and long vertical. If not, there's definitely long vertical, and I'll work in getting a standard vertical in the shop. But yeah, so I would just print. You usually for your foils, you'll get 2 designs because I want you guys to get the most for your money. So you could either print it twice, or you could crop it a certain way and then print once. But yeah, so that's all the new releases for the month of June. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. I would love for you to stick around and see what other type of things I have on the channel. Check out new releases for July. Check out other Plan With Me's. Follow me over on Instagram. I'm trying to build my following over there, so go ahead and give me a follow. It's at 5/16. And I will talk to you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.